Hello friends, today is one of the most important and useful thing for girls and the women if they are in the hurry and need to dry the hairs, then it is the hair dryer. It is the Nova and ordered from where this is from Flipkart. So I'm going to unbox this one. Sure, it looks pretty one. This is folded one. Open this very carefully. It feels like it might broke. I think currently don't have any charging for this. Let me see. I think no charging. It is with as a chargeable, so I will charge this for some time. It is with 2 speed and 3 types of air, which is cold, warm and hot. So we can see here as a button. We can see here buttons. We have to move in up 2 and 3. So let's try to use this one. I don't know. Yeah, this one is the cold one. It goes up, hot, and the third one is warm. Yeah, third one is the warm, and the voice of this is little bit, not little bit, but yeah, somewhat more voice is coming. And what about heat? Yes, it is somewhat warm also, means heating quickly. Let's see how it will be. Cold is proper one. Cold. Cold one is good. Okay, then for girls and women, you can try this one, and literally it's very nice and looking so pretty. It has a very different price. we can select anyone as we wish. If you like my channel, then like it, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.